Hello beautiful people and welcome to Bomb Kids TV. So today's video we have collabed with Asteria Hair. You guys have seen them on this channel before. They are back with another curly unit. I'll have all the specs, the density, the length, all that jazz in the description box below. So y'all, look at this. Tell me this ain't cute, okay? Tell me this ain't cute. So this is my first time doing this style and I've been wanting to do this crisscross. I was just waiting on the perfect wig to do it with a certain wig before. Y'all saw me do the 4 rows back, but I was like, you know what, that really wasn't giving what I was supposed to give. It was cute, but I wanted to give a little more, so I did some dramatic baby hairs and then we bleached the knots, but this time the difference is we bleached them for about 50 minutes. So technically they're over bleached, but that's what's helping give the scalp illusion because the knots are over bleached. I feel like sometimes when I bleach them for like 20 minutes, they don't bleach all the way and then you can still see the knot a little bit. But here, all of them, as you guys see, turned. So that's good. Let's get into the curl pattern. Cute AF, right? The hair is super soft. You will need to do a conditioning treatment on it because it does have that wiggy smell. You can tell that it was not like it didn't have a protein or conditioning treatment prior to being shipped to me because I could still smell the wig smell, but it did go away with a little deep condition with Pantene Gold is what I used, the conditioner I used to deep condition it for about 20 minutes after I bleached the knots, and that took care of the smell. This was pre-plucked. This wig was pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck this wig, just bleach it. So yeah, that's the tea on this wig. On a scale 1 to 10, I give it a 10. Only because like it's giving. I ain't gonna lie, it's giving. And it seems like it's gonna stay this size. Like, you know how some wigs when they dry they're like super big, which is cute, but sometimes you want it to stay like a cute little tight curl. I think it's gonna stay like this. I like how much parting space I have, which is what I wanted to highlight, the parting space. So yeah, you can do the ponytail like I did. You could do the bun, like a little cute bun type of thing. If that's your thing, whatever you want to do. You could even put this all up in the back in a ponytail. You could do a claw clip, just whatever. Super cute. So yeah, I love it, honestly. I'm not taking it out. I know I be hollering out glueless, but I actually glued this down because I want to wear it for a few days because it's cute. Okay, so yeah, I'd like to see how I achieve this rubber band style crisscross, whatever you want to call this. Then just keep watching.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous, but if you want it, tap in. I said that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me if you trust me, I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, an emoji, waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch, yeah. Wanna do? I speak the truth, yeah.
뛰고 있네. 아무 생각 안 나게 꽉 끌어서 타이트하게 널 감싸줄래. 상상만 했던 너의 실루엣이 내 눈앞에. 난 느낌대로 가는 거야. Oh no baby. 내가 할게 리드. 넌 내가 시키는 대로 해. 너와 나만 아는 비밀이야. 서로 위로해. 이불을 꽉 져줘. Let's roleplay. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to